Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to create a PDF product catalog and display it on single product pages. Here is a single WooCommerce product page. As you can see, the Download Catalog button allows customers to download a PDF catalog for this specific product. You will see that the catalog automatically includes all products with their images, names, prices, SKUs, and categories. Now let's get started with us. First, make sure the plugin is already installed and active. Once you activate it, you will see the PDF template section inside the dashboard. Click Add New PDF. Now, let's design the catalog using the drag and drop builder. Give the template title. At the beginning, navigate to Settings panel to configure the overall layout. Set orientation to portrait. Choose A4 paper size. Select font family and font size. Choose font color. Choose the header and footer template. I have already created these templates. Adjust page padding. So now let's design the template. Drag and drop a layout block. Insert an image product. Set type to use field. Source product image URL. Next to the image, add product information using shortcodes. Product name, product short description, product price, product SKUs, and product category. Make important information bold and easy to read. Add one more block for gallery image product. Save and have a preview. Now I will add a cover page and a thank you page to make the catalog look more professional. Insert a page break. Next, I will add an image to the cover page. And insert the catalog title. You can customize the font, size, and alignment to match your brand style. Now I'll do the same for the last page. I'll insert another layout block and enter the contact information such as your website, email address, or phone number. Make it bold and clear. Choose the color background. Change the text color. I'll also add images to make the page more eye-catching. And include a thank you message at the end. Finally, save the template and preview the PDF. As you can see, the catalog now looks more complete and professional with a cover page and a thank you page. Now, let's configure how this PDF catalog is displayed on your website. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, PDF, Download Catalog. Enable this PDF, make sure the PDF is enabled. Set label text, for example, Download Catalog. Select the PDF we just created. Display options, you can choose where the Download Catalog button appears. Enable Show on Single Product Page. Click Save Changes. Now let's test it. Open a product page. The Download Catalog button is visible. Click it to generate the PDF. The catalog shows the selected product with all necessary details. And that's it! You've successfully created and displayed PDF catalogs for WooCommerce products. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.